no style. Go check my profile. My lifestyle is so vile. Girl on my mobile. Girl from worldwide.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Samee, and on this channel we talk about wealth, health and education. This video we're talking about the trading broker XM and how they recently just scammed me out some money. So if you don't know about XM, it's a company that is located in the UK, I think, and they are SISIC regulated, FCA regulated and ASIC regulated. Well, that doesn't mean that they still can't scam you and still do little tricky things to basically take your money away. So this is one of the few brokers that encourage bonuses still in 2018, and yeah, as you can see, they finally put this important notification about the ESMA rulings that are going to be implemented in the 1st of August. If you see by a message that I sent here, this is a message I sent their department about the ESMA, because they didn't post this until probably this week. They literally just posted it this week, and as you can see, from the 1st of August it's going to be implemented to all brokers. As you can see, I messaged them and they said, "We thank you for choosing blah blah blah. Regarding your concern," they said, "until it's published here, will be applicable 2 months after the publication." So even here they went short, even though it was announced in March that these measures were going to be taken in place. They were still trying to say that they're going to wait 2 months until it's fully published. This was on the 17th of June. If I had 2 months into that, that's the 17th of August. But this is being applied in August the 1st. So, and as you can see here, they are trying to push the boundaries and trying to keep their bonus programs and their high leverage, etc., just to draw your money. But yeah, also, the reason why I feel this broker isn't great is because they have a dealing desk. That means they trade against your trades, and also they're an STP broker, so your trades don't actually go into the market. So that is a cause of concern. The main reason why you use XM is for their high leverage and their bonus schemes if you're into that, but also that they have a low starting deposit of $1, I think. So in theory, if anyone sees there's a $1 starting deposit, they're gonna be wanting to deposit into this broker. So yeah. So now to the situation where I got scammed. If I look at the first screenshot, as you can see here, this is my MT4, and I was trading EuroCAD, as you can see here, and you can see the market is downtrending. It's downtrending. I took a sell here at this level and at this level. My stop loss was a little bit further up here, and as you can see, the market is going down. It's going down. It's touched my target profit, but look at the spreads. It's gone to 10 pips spread here, a 10 pip spread. That is just ridiculous. Yeah, and if you think that's bad, look where they stopped me out. They stopped me out at 21 pips stop loss. 21 pips spread. My trade went deep into target profit, but yet I was stopped out because I only had the 10 pip stop loss because I was scalping. And as you can see, this is just ridiculous. How on earth can you charge someone a 21 pip stop loss? Doesn't matter how much the volatility has changed or the liquidity in the market. How are you really gonna spread it to 21 pips? This is just ridiculous from this broker, and honestly, I was disgusted. I did message them and they didn't offer any support. All they kept saying was, they kept repeating themselves saying, "Oh, because of the volatility at night, they can't do anything about it. That's how the price changes," and stuff like that. End of the day, my price was in target profit, and as soon as the spread was only 4 pips before I started trading when I opened this pair, and it was 4 pips until probably it started reaching this level here. They increased the spread by 10 pips because it's coming close to my target profit. And as soon as it touched here, as you can see in the next screenshot, if I go, as you can see, look, there's a 1 minute difference. As you can see, my trade was near target profit. It touched target profit for one of the positions, and it was coming to the second one. And I do know there's a 4 pip spread, so I knew the spread was going to be about here when it was here. But as you can see, it increased to 10 pips on this candle. And on the next minute candle, it increased to 21 pips and I was stopped out. Look at that spread. How can you say this is okay? This is just ridiculous from this broker. And honestly, I'm very, very disappointed. And I would not recommend XM to anyone. And to avoid these type of brokers at all costs, just because they have a low deposit and they offer so many like different bonuses and accounts and stuff. Always do your due diligence. Do check if it's it has a dealing desk or not. Check if it's ECN broker or STP. There's nothing actually wrong with STP broker, but just try to see if it has a dealing desk or not. But yeah, hope this video was informative to you guys and just created awareness to stay away from these brokers. You don't want to be scammed out like me. Luckily, I was using a small account, so for me, this wasn't a big issue. But end of the day, if this was my main account and I did put big lots on there, I could have been struck really badly. So yeah, guys, please trade carefully and stay safe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.